Have you ever wondered how clinical trials ensure the accuracy and reliability of their data? The answer lies in the systematic process known as clinical data management, or CDM. This critical aspect of clinical research involves the careful collection, validation, and organization of data generated during clinical trials. Every step in the process, from creating data management plans to ongoing data monitoring, is designed to ensure that the data collected are reliable and precise. Think of it as a meticulous guard, constantly checking and rechecking the data to maintain its quality. Moreover, CDM plays a key role in regulatory compliance. With ever-increasing scrutiny from regulatory bodies, maintaining the accuracy of clinical data has never been more important. What's more, CDM doesn't just touch on data collection, it also involves the careful planning and monitoring of data, ensuring that it consistently meets the highest standards. Therefore, clinical data management serves as the backbone of clinical research, ensuring data reliability and compliance. So, how does one begin a career in this critical field of clinical research? Well, like any profession, it starts with a strong foundation of knowledge. For clinical data management, or CDM, an educational background in life sciences, pharmacy, or a related field is highly advantageous. This broad scientific knowledge provides a solid base from which to dive into the specifics of CDM. Next, you'll want to look into specialized courses and training programs in CDM. Many educational institutions offer these, and they provide a critical in-depth look into the world of clinical data management. These courses will cover everything from data management planning to data validation and ongoing data monitoring, giving you the necessary skills to ensure the quality and regulatory compliance of clinical trial data. Now, once you've armed yourself with this knowledge, it's time to get your foot in the door. Entry-level positions such as clinical data coordinator or data entry operator are excellent starting points in the field. These roles allow you to apply your theoretical knowledge in a practical setting, giving you a first-hand experience of the inner workings of CDM. But let's not forget the importance of internships. Internships provide a unique opportunity to gain practical experience while still learning. They offer a chance to network with professionals in the field, learn about the day-to-day operations of clinical data management, and even get a feel for different specializations within the field. Finally, remember that every expert was once a beginner. Don't be disheartened if you start with a position that seems basic or mundane. Remember, these roles are stepping stones, providing you with valuable experience that will help you climb the ladder in the CDM world. So to sum it all up, launching a career in clinical data management requires a combination of a strong educational background, specialized training, and hands-on experience. And remember, gaining practical experience is crucial to kickstart your career in clinical data management. One might ask, what does the career progression look like in clinical data management? Well, this field presents a plethora of opportunities for growth and specialization. It's like a ladder that you keep climbing, with each rung representing a new level of expertise and responsibility. You might start off as a clinical data coordinator or a data entry operator. In these roles, you'll be responsible for managing and entering data, ensuring its accuracy, and learning the ropes of the industry. As you grow in your understanding and expertise, you could move up to become a clinical data manager, where you'll oversee the entire data management process from planning and collection to final analysis. But the path doesn't stop there. You could also specialize and become a clinical database programmer, where you'll be in charge of designing and testing databases to store all that important clinical data. Or perhaps you might find your niche as a data quality manager, focusing on ensuring the quality and accuracy of clinical data. If you're interested in the intersection of data management and scientific research, you could even become a clinical research data scientist. In this role, you'll utilize scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract insights from both structured and unstructured clinical data. And for those with a vision for leading and influencing the field, there's the role of Director of Data Management. Here, you'll oversee all data management operations and make strategic decisions that impact the data management function. But why this ladder? Why these opportunities? It's because clinical data management has seen substantial growth in recent years. Modern clinical trials have become complex, collecting data from diverse sources like electronic health records, patient-reported outcomes, and wearable devices. This complexity, coupled with globalization and increased regulatory scrutiny, has heightened the importance of this field. And as the field grows, so does the demand for skilled clinical data managers. These professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring the quality and reliability of clinical trial data, which is crucial in the world of drug development and healthcare. Indeed, the demand for skilled clinical data managers continues to rise, making it a promising career path. So, if you're interested in a career that offers growth, specialization, and the opportunity to make a significant impact on healthcare, clinical data management might just be the field for you. But what about job opportunities and salaries in this field? Well, the landscape of clinical data management is filled with a variety of roles, each with its unique set of responsibilities. Entry-level positions such as clinical data coordinator or data entry operator serve as stepping stones into this field. These roles focus on the collection and initial processing of data, ensuring that it meets the necessary quality standards. As professionals gain experience and expertise, they can move into more advanced positions. These include roles like clinical data manager, who oversees the entire data management process, and clinical database programmer, who designs and maintains the databases that hold trial data. Senior roles in clinical data management, such as data quality manager and director of data management, carry even greater responsibilities. These professionals not only oversee large-scale data management operations, but also shape the strategies and policies that guide their organization's data practices. Now let's talk about salaries in clinical data management. The field offers competitive remuneration, which grows as professionals gain more experience and assume roles with greater responsibilities. Entry-level positions offer salaries that are commensurate with experience. As professionals move into more advanced roles, their compensation increases accordingly. For instance, a clinical data manager or clinical database programmer can expect a substantial increase from their initial entry-level salary. Senior positions like data quality manager and director of data management offer even more substantial compensation, reflecting the significant responsibilities these roles carry. It's important to note that salaries can vary depending on the region, the size of the organization, and the specific responsibilities of the role. In conclusion, the field of clinical data management offers a broad range of job opportunities, each with its unique challenges and rewards. The salaries in this field are competitive, and there's significant potential for growth as professionals gain experience and take on roles with greater responsibilities. Thus, a career in clinical data management not only offers diverse opportunities, but also competitive remuneration. And how can one gain global recognition in clinical data management? The answer lies in obtaining a globally recognized certification. This certification is not just a testament to your skills and knowledge, but it also gives you an edge over others in this competitive field. One such reputable institution offering such certification is PHARMA Research. Accredited by the International Accreditation Council for Clinical Research and AMP Education, or IACA, PHARMA Research provides a plethora of global certification programs in clinical research education, including clinical data management. So how does one go about obtaining this certification? The process is quite straightforward. Start by enrolling in the program of your choice. Once enrolled, you will have access to study materials and online lectures designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills to excel in your chosen field. The beauty of these programs is that they are all accessible online. This means that they offer flexibility for both working professionals and students. Whether you're juggling a full-time job or a full course load at university, you can fit these programs into your schedule. Study at your own pace and in your own time, without the constraints of traditional classroom schedules. But it's not just about studying. To earn the certification, you must also complete assessments designed to test your understanding and practical application of the course content. These assessments ensure that you're not just memorizing information, but actually understanding and applying it. Once you successfully complete the program and pass the assessments, you will earn a globally recognized certification in clinical data management. This certification is not just a piece of paper. It's a testimony of your expertise, dedication, and commitment to this field. With a globally recognized certification, professionals can further enhance their career prospects in clinical data management. It represents a significant step forward in your career journey, opening up new opportunities for growth and advancement. It's your ticket to standing out in this rapidly evolving field. So consider investing in your future by obtaining a global certification in clinical data management. In conclusion, why is clinical data management so important? Well, let's recap. Clinical data management, or CDM, is an essential cog in the wheel of clinical research. It ensures the collection, validation, and organization of data generated in clinical trials are precise and reliable. This process is critical for the development of safe and effective drugs and treatments, contributing to the overall advancement of healthcare. But that's not all. CDM also opens up a world of career opportunities for those with a passion for science and data. Whether you're starting as a clinical data coordinator or aiming for a position as a director of data management, each role offers unique challenges and rewards. And remember, obtaining a global certification like those offered by PHARMA Research can enhance your skills and marketability, setting you apart in this competitive field. As we can see, clinical data management is not only a cornerstone of clinical research, but also a rewarding career choice with diverse opportunities and competitive salaries.